Very good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogene Nyeru teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Master Success. Let's solve this board. The question on the board is a white question number 8A 2007. A cylinder with radius 3.5 centimeter has its end closed, has its two ends closed. If the total surface area of the cylinder is 209 centimeters square, calculate the height of the cylinder. Taking pi to be 22/7. If you look at the cylinder, it's closed at both ends. So let me give you an example of a cylinder that is closed at both ends. Look at this, my tin of milk. It's closed at this side. It's also closed at this side. So we are looking for the total surface, for the height. For the question saying calculate the height. We are looking for the height where the total surface area is given. So the total surface area of a cylinder closed at both ends is equal to the curved surface area plus 2 area of a circle. When you factorize, the total surface area now will be 2 pi radius. I bring it out, it's common. Then the height plus radius is not common. When you look at the question, the total surface area is given to you, which is 209 is equals to 2. What is the what's the pi? Is 22/7. What is the radius? Is 3.5. Into what the height is what we are looking for, plus 3.5. Okay? This we cancel this to give us 0.5. When you use 7 to divide 3.5, it gives us 0.5. So therefore, let's come to this side. 209 is equals to, now let's multiply. What is 2 times 22 times 5? 44 times 0.5. 2 times 22 gives us 44. 44 times 0.5 gives us 22. So here is 22 into the height plus 3.5. Okay, let's remove what is outside this bracket and we divide through by 22. So 209/22 is equal to 22/22 plus into height plus 3.5. Okay, let's divide 209 by 22. 209 divided by 22 give us 9.5. Give us 9.5. This will cancel this. Now here we h plus 3.5. Let's collect like tens. So 9.5. When this plus 3.5 crosses, it becomes minus 3.5 is equals to the height. So let's make the height. Solve a formula. So what is now 3.5? 9.5 minus 3.5 is equals to 6. And take note of the unit is 6 what? Centimeter. If you fail at white standard of marking, if you write 6 without putting the centimeter, the unit, I will mark it for you. A1 minus 1, omission of unit. We give you the mark and we withdraw the mark from you. So you must leave your answer in the unit given to you. So therefore the height of the cylinder is 6 centimeters. Don't disconnect. I want to give you example number 2. Welcome back. Let me give you example number 2. It's a jump question number 33, 2010. Total surface area of a cylinder. A cylindrical pipe is 50 meters long with radius 7 meters, has one end open. What is the total surface area of the pipe in terms of pi? Okay, I cannot just carry a pipe. I will use anything that represents the cylindrical in nature to explain. The first one I used, my first example was closed at both ends. That was my first example I did, was closed at both ends. Now let me use the one that is open. Look at this, what we used to measure rice in the market. This is closed and it's open at one end. Look at it, it's open. So I want to give the formula. The total surface area of this formula, open at one end. The total surface area of cylinder, open at one end, is the curved surface area plus area of a circle. So when you factorize this expression, we have pi radius in common. We have pi and radius is common. Open at one end, we have pi radius common. So what is not common here is 2 heights plus radius. Now, what is pi in the question? Don't touch pi. So here will be pi times, what's the radius there? Is 7. 2. What's the height or the length of the pipe? Is 50. What's the same radius? Is 7. Alright, let me use a curved bracket to do this one, or a closed bracket to differentiate the bracket inside. So here is 7 times pi give us 7 pi. 2 times 50 is 100 plus 7. So here will give us 7 pi times, what is 100 plus 7 is 107. Now let's multiply. What is now 7 times 107? It gives us 749. It gives us 749 pi. And what is the unit there? Is meter square. So if you fail to leave your answer, you write 749 pi. You are correct. It's A1 minus 1, omission of unit. If you leave it in centimeter square, it's A1 minus 1, omission of unit. You must leave your answer in the correct unit. So that is my answer. Follow me on Facebook as Otemu Math Success. Simultaneously subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. God bless you. Real good.